existing smart controller users, this is some important information for you before you update your smart controller to work with the DJI Mavic Air 2. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. So it's finally here, the long promised update to the DJI Smart Controller to allow it to work with the DJI Mavic Air 2 has been released. However, existing users of the Smart Controller should stay tuned to make sure they do not get an error when updating to the new version. If you're new here, Geeksvana is a channel which brings you the latest drone news along with the best drone and tech content. To get more, hit subscribe, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. Okay, so this is an update a lot of people have been waiting for, and there are a lot of smart controller users who have left theirs on the shelf until it gets compatibility with the DJI Mavic Air 2. Let's take a look at the official DJI release for the software. As you can see, version 01.00.0820 offers a nice simple list providing confirmation that the DJI Mavic Air 2 will be compatible once you update. However, existing users be aware of the special notes provided by DJI. A smart controller with a firmware version of 0.75 or earlier must be updated using DJI Assistant 2. Download the latest DJI Assistant 2 and follow the steps in the firmware update section in the DJI Smart Controller user manual. They then provide the link to download the DJI Assistant 2 software, which is a very handy desktop support program which every DJI user should have, as it offers a range of glitch and bug beating support. Smart controller owners are advised to attempt the update several times and then contact support if there are continued issues. Although this update is very new, we have yet to hear of any smart controller owners experiencing issues when they update via the Assistant 2. So, great news for those looking to buy a smart controller for their DJI Mavic Air 2, with an important message for those existing owners. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.